Hey divas, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my minimalistic makeup routine. So if you guys aren't interested, then definitely keep on watching. Before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Merit, so shout out to them for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay divas, so let's just jump right in. So as far as skin, I did prep my skin by doing my skincare routine, and that is where we are now. I also did fill my brows in just a little bit because they are sparse, so I did want to give myself a little something, okay? So yeah, let's just jump right in. So today we're going to be working with a very minimalist brand, which is really nice. This is perfect for like your everyday type of makeup, and just if you are a minimal person in general, this is just perfect. We all have that minimal makeup routine, so this is perfect for everybody. So anywho, I'm gonna start off with a foundation stick, and this one is in the shade Buff. So I'm going to begin to highlight. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna begin to highlight. I am gonna highlight a little bit underneath the brow just to give me a little something there. I'm also going to go down my nose, and I'm not necessarily going to be not necessarily like highlighting too much, because I'm just going to put a little bit of this, okay? I just want to brighten up underneath these eyes, okay? Like, because honey, like, we're still trying to look youthful, so I'm just going to highlight in those areas just to bring a little bit of light, okay? And I'm actually going to be blending that out with my finger. I feel like the warmth and just the oils and everything from my hands naturally is going to blend it out seamlessly, and it absolutely did. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. And plus, this is very minimalistic. We don't need to be taking like a whole bunch of time trying to figure out which brush to use and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out with my finger. So now that I've brightened up all the areas I want to brighten up, I'm going to go in with another complexion product that they have, and this is their Perfecting Complecting Stick, or Complexion Stick, excuse me. And this one is in Tiger Eye. I felt like this will be the perfect shade for me, so we shall see. Let me just put a little and kind of blend that out. I am going to use a brush, but I just want to see if this is a good match. Okay, yeah, it's a good match because it blended in. So yeah, I'm going to be taking this Complexion Perfecting Stick, and then I'm also going to be taking their brush, okay, which you guys know I'm a brush girl, so when they sent me a brush I was like, yes honey. So yeah, I'm going to be taking this brush. It seems very soft, and it doesn't seem to be too dense, but it's also not like super just loose either, so I feel like that would be a good combination. So you can just like spot conceal. I am going to spot conceal, but I'm also going to be applying the foundation all over. So you could do whatever you know works for you, but for me, I always like a full coverage even when I'm doing my minimalistic makeup. So yeah, just do whatever fits you. I have the product everywhere where I want it. I'm just gonna go in and blend with the brush, and oh my gosh, this is blending beautifully. So I am just kind of like pushing the product into my face. I just really wanted to give me coverage, but also give me like that natural look. So these complexion sticks are blending out very well, and I'm very impressed with that, which is really good, because when you're doing your minimalistic makeup, you definitely don't want to take a long time. It might take a long time in this video because I'm filming and telling you guys what I'm doing, but literally if I wasn't filming, like, this would not take long at all, like, because I would just throw it on my face, get it blended out, and I'll be good to go. Okay, and ta-da, my face is all done. So So next I'm going to be going in with their mascara, and I just die for this packaging. Like, look at how cute and simplistic and just classy. Why was I holding it like that? Look at how cute this packaging is. It's just so simple and cute, but it looks very luxurious. I love it. So we're going to be applying this mascara, and that is all we're going to be doing today. Like, no lashes or anything. So let's see how this mascara performs. I am going to put on 3 coats because I have little lashes, okay? Like, my lashes are little. That's why I put on such big lashes. But for minimalistic days, I do like to rock my natural lashes. So yeah, we're going to be putting 3 coats of this, but it looks good at 1 coat. Like, 1 coat is doing me a little bit justice, but I just like to put 3 coats because that's just what I like to do. So now that we're done with the mascara, I do have 3 lippies here, and I'm actually just gonna swatch all 3 for you guys, and then I'm gonna choose one. So I'll swatch from lightest to darkest. So the first one that I have here, and this is the packaging, is just so beautiful. Like, I just love how minimalistic their products packaging is. Like, it's just so beautiful. This first one is actually called Au Naturel, or Au Natural, however you say it. So I'm gonna swatch that right here on my hand, and that's what it looks like, and it's very beautiful. So it just looks like a very beautiful everyday warm type of nude color. The next one I'm gonna swatch is called Pink Beats, and it's this beautiful pink color. So here it is. So it's a very soft pink. If you guys can see that, it's very soft, but I do like it. I feel like this is also an everyday type of look that you can rock. The last one is called Sangria. I feel like this is definitely something you can wear more so during the nighttime. So here it is swatched, and yeah, this is beautiful. This is definitely giving me some night vibes, or like fall day vibes, fall and winter. But yeah, it's very beautiful. So those are all 3 swatched. And if you know me, you already know which color I'm going with. I am going with Au Naturel. I feel like this would be perfect for like every day. Pink Beat would be too, but I don't know. You guys know I love my nudes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that on the lips. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful on the lips. Oh my gosh. And it feels good on the lips too. And I love that it's like pigmented enough to give me a little bit of color, but it doesn't look crazy on me or anything, and I don't need a liner, because, you know, when you're doing something minimalistic, okay, you're trying to get in and get out, okay? Or you're trying to get out to get in, I don't know. But you're just trying to do it fast, and I love that this has that. Like, this is beautiful. So yeah, this tinted lip oil is everything. Like, yes, look at this. It's just so beautiful, and I'm living. Okay divas, so this is the final look. I just love how beautiful and just like soft my skin looks. It looks exactly like my skin, and I'm just here for it. Now, you guys noticed that I did not set my makeup or anything, and you guys know I am oily combination, but I feel like this looks very natural. This looks exactly like my skin when I just apply a moisturizer. So that is the feel that I am really liking. If it becomes too much, I would just take like a paper towel and kind of like blot my face, but this is pretty much what my face looks like when I just do my skincare routine and then put on my my moisturizer. So I'm okay with it. As far as the mascara, honey, it just gave my lashes some liftage. You probably can't see it on camera as much, but I could definitely see it in person. Like, I can definitely see like my eyelashes, which I really like because they're small and usually I can't see them. As far as lip oil, is very comfortable on the lips. It's not like moving around a lot. It just is giving my lips like that moisture that it needs, and also tinting it a little bit. So I feel like their tinted lip oils is bomb as well. So overall, I'm very here for it. I wanted to share this especially with my minimalistic divas. I know that there are some of you guys on here that is like, girl, we just need a simple slay for every day, for work, just for daily life, for whatever reason. If it's just that you want to enhance your beauty a little bit, I feel like these products will be absolutely perfect. They have everything you need for your minimalistic makeup routine, okay? And the products work really well, as you guys can see. As far as the coverage on the complexion sticks, I feel like they have a medium to full coverage, because while I did apply the stick all over my face, you can still see some of my imperfections peeking through, but that's okay because it did still give me a good enough amount of coverage to kind of just enhance that. So yeah, so it's up to you, and it's definitely buildable, because the thing I love the most about the complexion sticks is that they're so light. Like, I don't feel like there is cake like on my face. Like, even though it's a foundation stick, like, it's very light. But yeah, if you guys are interested in Merit products, I will have a link in the description box below, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of these products. Let me know what you think about my minimalistic makeup look. Let me know what your minimalistic routine is, whether it's with makeup or whatever it is. Let me know, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.